In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Drive permanently deleted files. If you've removed something from Drive and even cleared it from trash, don't panic. There's a formal path to ask Google for help, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and what to expect. First, open your browser and go to support.google.com/drive. This is Google Drive Help, the official support center. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account where the file originally lived. Recovery requests only work if you're in the correct account. Once you're on the help page, use the search bar at the top and type recover deleted files. You'll see a help article dedicated to this topic. Open it and look for the section that mentions the file recovery request form. Availability can vary by account and situation, so if you don't see the form, it may not be offered for your account at this time. If you do see it, click through to open the form. Now you'll provide details that help Google identify the missing content. Enter the file name. If you remember the exact name, great. Type it exactly as it was. If you only recall part of the name, include what you can. Accuracy improves the chances of locating the right file. Next, add the approximate date the file was deleted. Even a rough time frame is helpful, like the week or month, because it narrows down the search. Then specify the folder location where the file was stored before it disappeared. Think of the folder path you used and mention any subfolders if you remember them. The more precise you are here, the faster support can check the right place. If the form includes a description or additional notes field, use it to add concise context, such as whether the file was shared with others or any detail that could distinguish it from similar files. Keep it factual and focused on what helps locate the file. When you've filled out the fields, submit the request. After submitting, you'll typically receive a confirmation that your request was received. Recovery isn't guaranteed, and timing can vary, but if Google can locate a recoverable version, it will be restored to your drive, usually in its original location or a designated recovery spot. Keep an eye on your email for updates tied to the account you used to submit the form. That's it. Head to Google Drive Help, search for Recover Deleted Files, open the File Recovery Request form if it's available to you, and submit the file name, approximate deletion date, and folder location. Take your time with the details and give support the best possible trail to follow.